Our lives are becoming smarter, more connected, and more responsive. In many devices we use, there is quiet brilliance behind, how they can see and sense the world. As devices shrink and performance rises, these experiences rely on precise optical performance built into the smallest possible space in the most efficient way. This is where micro-optics redefine what's possible. Illumination, projection, sensing, imaging, all within modules smaller than a grain. We turn these possibilities into reality. With wafer-level optics stacking and integration, we combine micro-scale precision with scalable architectures to deliver SMT-compatible optical components and modules for advanced sensing and imaging. From wafers to components and modules, our manufacturing ensures precision replication, accurate stacking and alignment, and high-volume scalability, supporting designs that push the boundaries of size and performance. Our sensor module packaging expertise integrates optics, sensors, and electronics into tightly optimized, power-efficient assemblies, ready for tomorrow's devices. Through our products and foundry services, we support customers end-to-end, from early concept and simulation to wafer-level prototyping, ramp-up and mass production. Backed by over 30 years of micro-optics expertise, our Singapore Innovation Hub and Malaysia high-volume manufacturing facility continue to empower the world's leading technology trends. Today, we stand as your trusted photonics manufacturing partner, turning ideas into manufacturable optical solutions that elevate user experiences. Heptagon. Let's explore your next optical innovation together.